Okay, moving on to the next lesson, and this one is about cost cutting. And it's subscriptions are not draining your bank account, driving on the clock is. So I'm not saying that you need to tell your employees to stop being on the clock while driving in between jobs. What I'm saying is that you need to find a way to reduce the amount of drive time that your business has. Not only does that amount to more fuel usage and more maintenance costs, but the biggest thing it has is you have to pay whoever's driving and whoever else is in that vehicle. So think about this, 1 hour driving, if you pay your employees $25 an hour and you have 3 employees in that car, that is $75 every hour that they're driving. So you need to figure out how to reduce drive time. And the way you do this is simple, but not easy to do. So you need to figure out how to optimize your routing. So the simple part is drive less time. The hard part is how do we actually implement that in a way that doesn't break the business? So here's some ways. The first thing you need to do, and this is by far the easiest and a no-brainer, is optimize the routing. If you can optimize the schedule so you're not driving from one end of town to the other, and in between jobs you're going back and forth, north side, south side, west side, east, like back and forth, north, south, north, south, north, south. Get rid of that, okay? Do all the jobs in the north first, then go to the south. What you can do is 2 things. Either tell people, hey, choose a day of the week and we'll serve you when, we'll let you know what hour we're gonna come at. Or you can do it the other way around where you say, choose an hour and we'll let you know what day of the week works. So you might think, hey, this is really restrictive, but some of the biggest businesses that we've worked with already had this implemented. And when we implemented it into other businesses, they saved a ton of money. So it's not that big of an issue. The only times it becomes an issue is if it's emergency jobs, but even then you can say, hey, we can squeeze you in on at the end of the day if you're in this area. Another thing that you can do is have different crews work different areas. So now if you do get an emergency job, you say, cool, I'll just assign it to this crew. There you go. So you can have crews that go to specific areas, but this makes it much easier. Structure your jobs in a way that reduces drive time, and it is worth it. It is absolutely worth it. You just need to make sure that, hey, the jobs are in the same relative area and you will save a lot of money on drive time. So tell your employees, hey, throw in the GPS and figure out what the fastest route is so you're not stuck in traffic or you're not getting lost somewhere and doing loops around an area that is not even where the job is.